Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you how to save data if your iPhone got lost or stolen. So let's start the video. There are two methods by which your data could be lost. The first one is if a person who stole your iPhone know the password of your Apple ID, and the second procedure is bypassing the iPhone. By these two methods, a person can access your data. So in the video, I will tell you a setting by which you can save your data. The first thing you have to do is open settings in your iPhone. After that, you have to scroll down and open Face ID and passcode area. Here put passcode. Now scroll down till bottom. Here you can see the erase data option. It is written that if you turn on this option and try wrong attempts 10 times on your passcode of iPhone, then your all data will be erased. So turn on this option, and now whenever the person who stole your phone or find your phone from anywhere and he attempt 10 wrong passwords on your iPhone, then your all data will be erased and it is safe. But keep in mind that you can also recover your data if you know your Apple ID and password by inserting the Apple ID in a new iPhone. So by this way you can save your data if your phone get lost and stolen. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.